y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to open up my BloomsyBox flowers for the first time on this channel. I'm so excited. So this company did reach out to me and I could not resist. I love me some fresh flowers, so we're gonna open this up together, and I hope that you enjoy watching. If you do, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys, my flowers are here. I'm so excited to open this up and give you guys some information about this company. I'm beyond ecstatic to see what the flowers are in here. And of course, once we unbox these and open them up, I'm gonna give you all of the information that you guys need. Oh my gosh. As soon as you open the box, it just hits you with the fresh smell of flowers. Like, I love that. And the flowers are secured by these zip ties, which is phenomenal. I've ordered flowers from a very popular flower company for online, and they did not come this well secured. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm so excited. Here are my flowers. Oh, I love them. Okay. Secured with rubber bands. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. These are beautiful. Oh my god. Look. And they're so Christmassy and beautiful. Okay, I am going to go set these up. I am hoping that I can find a vase that's going to fit these and make them like as beautiful as they're meant to be, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is the only vase I could find, and I did trim the bottom of the stems, and we're going to unveil the preciousness of these flowers. They're literally so freaking beautiful. They come from eco-friendly farms, and you can just smell the fresh like pine off of these babies. Like, it gives off such Christmas vibes, and I'm so excited to show you this beautiful bouquet of flowers. Oh, baby. Okay, let's take our netting off. Now, the flowers are going to seem a little smushed, but that is because these things here are protecting them from getting all disheveled, which is also a very nice touch. So all the beautiful buds don't lose their petals and stuff like that. This is literally the most beautiful Christmas spread I have ever seen in my entire life. Like, tell me these aren't beautiful. Oh, I love them. Okay. All right, I'm ready to take the final band off the bottom and get the plant food baggie off, and we're gonna start to spread these out and get them all looking nice and uniform. Oh, and they smell so good. I wish I could show you these a little bit better. Let me try and do this a little bit better. Okay, here we go. Let's start, like, you know, getting them more poofed out, shall I say. Oh, I love these. All I smell is like a Christmas tree farm. That is all I smell right now. Christmas tree farm. Look, Ellie, do you smell these beautiful flowers? Even my dog is loving these flowers. Aww, do you like the smell? They are Eleanor approved. See, this flower was very grouped together, and now he's starting to blossom. So these flowers also have a longer vase life, and the cost is a lot lower versus competition. And the subscription service is very easy to use. You can just set it and forget it. That's the kind of subscription this is. Okay, so I added some rock to the bottom and my water, and I kind of fluffed them out some more so you can really see the beauty that these flowers give off. You know what else is really great about this subscription? You can really discover different unique varieties, which I find to be amazing. Almost as amazing as the way these flowers smell, might I add. And I just find these to be like a unique, innovative gift idea for a loved one, a business, you name it, a birthday celebration. You know, this is just something that is just so easy that you can just get on the website and hit click, pick out whichever subscription you want, and make somebody's day. Also, you know, I want to touch on the experience that I had unboxing these. Like, I saw the box on my front porch. I wasn't expecting it to be here today, and I just got really excited. And when I opened them up, I don't know if you could see the joy on my face, but just looking at beautiful flowers just really puts so much joy and happiness into my life. I love me some fresh flowers. I love to display fresh flowers in my house, and this just makes it such an easy way to do that. Just to log on to BloomsyBox.com and get a nice monthly subscription. You can do it for your business. If you own a business and you like to have fresh flowers, you can just subscribe and forget it, and they will just come to you monthly. They do ship within 2 to 4 days after they are cut to ensure freshness, and they are shipped directly from farm, so you do know that they're coming from a lovely home into your lovely home or business. So this can be either a weekly, a bi-monthly, or a monthly subscription basis. So you don't have to be overwhelmed with flowers. You can do it monthly. You can do it weekly. Whatever tickles your fancy. The flowers will come whenever you choose. So let me read off a few things for you guys. So BloomsyBox only works with farms that are Rainforest Alliance and Veriflora certified, meaning we follow a specific set of rules that makes them ethically and environmentally friendly. These rules cover all aspects of the business, from the treatment of workers on the farm to the disposal of the flowers, which is fantastic. Each stem is hand-picked, arranged into a hand-tied bouquet, and delivered to the customer. Most of our blooms arrive in bud form, so they're guaranteed to last longer than typical store-bought bouquets. Again, fantastic. The secret sauce is the discovery factor. Customers will be surprised by what they are getting, and it won't be typical. BloomsyBox works mainly with growers in the flower capitals of Latin America and also buys from Holland and Thailand. We also wanted to walk away from the typical bouquet you can buy anywhere, so we only do single variety bouquets. So you definitely will get some really unique varieties of bouquets, and I find that to be amazing. Don't you walk into like a convenience store and see flowers for sale and they're just so boring and they're really expensive for pretty much nothing, you know? You don't get that many stems and they're just, I don't think they're worth the price. But this here, this is beautiful, okay? You get so many stems and it is definitely worth the price. So with all of this being said, my experience that I shared, my unboxing, me building my bouquet of flowers here in my vase, I want to encourage you guys to go to BloomsyBox.com and get you a nice subscription of these flowers. You guys will thank me later. Your loved ones that you send these to will thank me later. Thank you later. Thank you, and then thank me because you brought joy to all of them. Okay? Does that make sense? No. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for sitting down and watching me unbox this and watching. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!